So let's talk about how to create lists. And I'm going to talk about two different types of lists: ordered lists and unordered lists, or what we call bulleted lists. And these are things that you are going to use often. So the first thing I want to do is show you what the unordered list looks like. And obviously unordered meaning bulleted. So we have something like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this would be considered a unordered list. Okay, so if we think about the abbreviation of an unordered list, it is unordered list, right? So that's the tag, UL. So we have bracket, make it a little bigger. And then to close that bracket, of course, it is UL and then bracket and the slash, right? Now, lists are a little bit different than normal tags because within each list, you have the actual LI. So LI stands for the bullet or the list item. All right, so you can have as many LIs as you want to. So you're going to need to have LI and /LI. So this tells us right here that this is a list. So let me do this again. Let's say, for example, we want to duplicate dog, cat. So we start the unordered list with this tag, right? And then we finish the list with this tag. Now, each one of these items are going to be this, right? So this is going to be dog, cat, and hamster. Pretty simple, right? So after you understand that concept, that you have the open tag here, the close tag here, and then the items that are surrounded by the LI tag. So LI dog /LI, LI cat, close the tag, LI hamster, and then close that tag. All right. So now that you understand that, what I want to talk about now is ordered lists. Now, ordered lists are going to be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if I switch it to this, the only items that need to change here are the open tag and the close tag. Everything else, the LIs stay the same. Now, if you think about the abbreviation for ordered list, that's OL, right? OL. Pretty simple. So we open this order list, we have the 3 items, and then of course, right below that, we close the /OL, right? So that's basically how to create an ordered list. So once you have that concept and understanding of an unordered list and an ordered list, it's the same thing except for the open and close tag, or the main ones. Now, if we head on over to Composer here, you can actually see the same thing. So if I create a unordered list, and we'll do the same thing, we'll say dog, cat, hamster, and maybe we'll throw a few things other than that inside. We could say gecko. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that you can see it. Now, if I go to source code here, you can see that it is UL and then close UL, right? And then of course, in between the unordered list, we have LI and then LI. Now, as far as formatting goes, you notice that it says big, 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 and then /big. So that's how to create it, and that's how easy it is. Now, if I were to highlight this and put it into ordered or numbered lists, we call it order lists, because if you go to source and you look at it, the only thing that has changed is the UL to OL. So unordered list changed to the ordered list, and then we close that tag down. So if you can understand this process, then creating lists of 2 different types is very, very easy to do. So with that said, let's move on to the next video.